Have you tried moving SAP data into Microsoft Fabric and got stuck? You're not alone. In this video we show several options without violating licenses and give a short demo of one of them. Hi, my name is Joran and I work as a BI architect at McCoy Partners. In this video I will be covering the Microsoft perspective. I will be joined by my colleague Joran who will focus on SAP Business Data Cloud. He will walk you through how Business Data Cloud can act as an integration layer between SAP and Microsoft Fabric. Together we will show you how to connect these two worlds and unlock the full potential of your SAP data. SAP offers strong analytics capabilities and many organizations rely on it as the backbone of their business data. At the same time, customers increasingly want to combine SAP data with non-SAP sources and leverage tools like Microsoft Power BI. That's why integration is becoming so important. In this video we will explore the key considerations and best practices for integrating SAP Business Data Cloud with Microsoft Fabric, so you can get the best of both worlds.
When connecting SAP with Microsoft Fabric, it's important to stay within license limits. That's why we'll look at 3 safe paths. So what are these 3 main paths to bring SAP data into Microsoft Fabric? First, you can connect directly from SAP using licensed ETL tools like Simplement, DAB, Alteryx, or even Microsoft's own solutions. These are all reliable out-of-the-box options if you already have the licenses. Within Business Data Cloud, you can choose between 2 approaches. Use the premium Outbound feature for a fully managed, scalable and governed integration, or build a custom solution, for example using JDBC connections to extract data directly. This gives you the flexibility and can help you avoid extra costs of premium Outbound. So in the end, it's all about choosing the approach that best fits your organization's needs, budgets and existing investments. In this video we will focus on the last option, building a custom solution within SAP Business Data Cloud to extract your data. This approach can help you avoid the extra costs of premium Outbound features. When you extract data from Business Data Cloud, you do not always want to pull the entire data set every time, especially if you're dealing with large volumes. This is why we built 2 flows. One for initial full load of large data sets and one view specific for delta extraction. Business Data Cloud only adds the changes since the last extraction to the target table. So these are new records, updates or deletions and can be identified by their change type. When all loads have run successfully, the demo sales orders are fully up to date. Once a database user has also been created, the dataset is ready for consumption in Data Fabric through a JDBC connection.
Behind the scenes we have built a lightweight API-driven ETL solution. This tool is designed to extract data from SAP Business Data Cloud, transform it as needed and write it directly into a lakehouse as optimized Parquet files. Step 1. Clients of Fabric notebooks call the API to fetch data or push it directly to OneLake. Step 2. The ETL tool offers flexible endpoints for queries, streams, CSV or direct OneLake writes. Step 3. Data is pulled securely via a whitelisted JDBC connection from SAP Data Cloud. And Step 4. The data lands in OneLake where change data capture with open mirroring keeps tables fresh and ready for analytics. While a custom solution naturally has its pros and cons, it turned out it can be an ideal fit for our use case. There were no additional costs involved and since we are only working with small datasets, it's lightweight and efficient. For larger enterprise scenarios, we would always recommend a supported ETL tool to ensure scalability and full vendor support. Now that we have explained the setup, let's move on to the demo. First step is to open our workspace in Microsoft Fabric. And here you can see we created several Fabric items, including a mirror database. Let's open it. You see a OneLake landing zone and nothing has replicated yet, so let's start replicating our first table. We move on to our notebook where we will trigger the API to fetch the data. First we configure some settings like API key and connection details. And after that we can check which tables are available in the Outbound Fabric space. Here's the list and we are actually interested in the sales order delta table. Let's do a quick check of its content by calling the API. That's indeed the table that we want. Once we confirm it's the right table, we instruct the API to write the output directly into OneLake. The API automatically ensures that the Parquet files are in the correct format and contain all the requirements for the CDC mechanism to work. Now let's go back to the mirror database. As you can see, Parquet files have now landed in the landing zone, and we have even the possibility to actually preview them individually. From there, the mirror database mechanism takes over, transforming the Parquet files into tables and making them accessible for any analytics use case. You can also see the replication status here. And there it is, a fully synchronized table ready to be used for analytics in Microsoft Fabric.
To sum it all up, you have three main options for getting SAP data into your analytics environment. First, there's the standard ETL tool. This is a reliable and supported solution, especially if you're already a licensed partner. The downside is that it can be expensive and sometimes less flexible. Second, you can use a custom JDBC solution, which we've demoed. This gives you a maximum flexibility and you can save costs since you're not tied to licenses or premium features. However, you do need to maintain and manage it yourself, so make sure your team is ready for that responsibility. And third, there's the SAP Business Data Cloud's premium Outbound option. This is a fully managed and scalable with enterprise support and governance. The trade-off is higher costs and a bit less flexibility for custom needs. So choose the ETL tool and approach that best fit your organization's needs, budget, and technical expertise. Not sure which ETL path works best to bring SAP data into Microsoft Fabric? Reach out and we can help you make the right choice. Thanks for watching, and if you're also interested in how to connect Power BI directly to SAP BW, then check out our other video where we dig deeper into this setup. Goodbye.